how to see who viewed your public profile story on Snapchat. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to see who viewed your public profile story on Snapchat. Open up your Snapchat application on your mobile device. Then tap on the location icon. You will see your current location displayed on the map. Now tap on your profile icon. To view your story, tap on the story option. Once you're on your story, you can tap on the eye icon to see who has viewed your story. This will show you a list of people who have watched your story. If someone took a screenshot of your story or sent you a reply, you can also see that information here. To view the full list of viewers, tap on the viewers list option. This will provide you with a detailed list of everyone who has watched your story. And that's it. Now you know how to see who viewed your public profile story on Snapchat. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.